Hello, I'm Ben Cooper and I'm definitely not in Palma at the moment, but Natalie's going to do a walkthrough video of the Rapido 50 Flint and I'll do a voiceover. Thanks! So here we are in the overcast Palma Bay for a walk around the 2021 Rapido 50 Trimaran Flint. As you can clearly see from the back, the USP of the Rapido 50 is the ability to fold the floats in to be the width of an equivalent monohull, which opens up cruising grounds to include the convenience of a marina as well as the swinging moorings, not to mention the significantly lower mooring costs. Natalie will now hop on board and give you a tour of the deck, and then we'll head on down below for a look at the accommodation. Passage around the yacht, when folded, it is tight, but it's very safe with plenty of handholds. The foredeck is uncluttered and houses another windlass houses the anchor windlass and tack lines that are incorporated in the bow spread. A notable feature of Flint is the deck-stepped rig. This is also an upgrade from the standard and beautifully made by Marstrom. It's rotating with one single spread of spreaders. A nice feature of the rig is the hay racks on the boom, which with the lazy jacks make hoisting and lowering the mainsail very easy from the aft cockpit. Moving aft towards the helm, there are very comfortable seats either side with a wonderful helm command with easy reach of the main, sail controls, throttle and bow and stern thrusters. She also has the most comfortable seat and a sliding spray screen for the more exciting moments. Dropping down into the cockpit, you can see the high back seats. This space is really well protected and sheltered as well as comfortable. You will note the separate access to the private aft double cabin, and either side of the cockpit are storage lockers under the seats and access under the very comfortable cork flooring to the yacht's systems. We'll now magically pop inside for a tour of the yacht's interior. We start in the raised saloon, 360 degrees throughout, with a step-down access to the forward cabin. The layout works really well with a full-width shower furthest forward. As the hull widens walking aft, the heads and then the main cabin. The offset double cabin has plenty of light, and you'll notice the furniture is either constructed in either painted carbon or lightweight veneer panels. Moving up into the raised saloon area with seating for 6, linear galley, and what you don't see in action on the video are the electronically operated frosting windows. The most starboard aft is actually frosted, so you can see how these work. The forward saloon area is divided by the centreboard case, which gives a very secure seat at the navigation table. Passing through the cockpit area and stepping down into the aft cabin, a very private space, with an ensuite heads and shower, all in a painted finish, which is very simple to maintain. A full-size double, although the camera shows it to be quite dark, with the screen removed on the aft hatch, which is also an escape hatch. There's plenty of light and a very comfortable space. I hope you've enjoyed this walk around tour. If you'd like any more information or any more detail on the boat, please do not hesitate to contact us on the details below.